What's going on, everyone? It's JBH and welcome back to another video. And today, guys, happy July 4th. So today we are, of course, at Disney World, the Walt Disney World Resort, and today we are going to watch the 4th of July fireworks from the Contemporaries. I'm already here at the Contemporary. Currently it is 7:33 and the fireworks start at 9:20 tonight. I wanted to get here earliest as I can. I did work today, so after work I wanted to come over here and catch the fireworks. So here we are. So hope you enjoy this video. So right over here, I'm on the first, balcony already. Like all the seats are already taken, but this is a pretty good spot. Yeah, I think this is where I sat before when we watched Happily Ever After. You can go check out that last video when I was here. But yeah, we'll be waiting here for a little while, but I want to make sure I got a good spot to see the fireworks. Right down there below, that is where you can really have good. Take a nice seat, but of course they're already occupied. I think those always probably get occupied, probably always right away, so we definitely can't do those and sit there today. There goes one of the monorails. Always love, like right here, because monorails come in and out, of course, right here and everything, and then so it's just really nice as it goes. And I see the other monorail is, of course, making its way over here, but it's really nice that it will, of course, will go right underneath us. Yeah, but right here on the app, of course, it does say, yep, at 9:20. So yep, 9:20. Disney celebrates a 4th of July concert in the sky. This also happens yesterday. It happened on July 3rd, so they do it 2 days. So it's always nice to do it 2 days. But yep, so 9:20. But we still have a little bit to go yet. And also hopefully that the weather will hold out, because coming here it was storming a bit. As you can see, all the clouds over here are a little dark. It says that it has not supposed to have too much of a chance at 9, so I think they only won't do the fireworks unless it's like lightning mostly, but if it's raining they should still do it, but we'll see. Hopefully the weather won't be too bad when it happens. So, of course, over here at Bay Lake Tower, you definitely, if you're right here on this spot, any of these rooms, you have a great view of the fireworks every night, even Happily Ever After. All right, but one thing, I still haven't gotten a pass yet for Disney. I am looking at getting one soon. Like, I'm looking at either the Pirate or the Sorcerer pass, one of those two. Because I finally did get my Florida license down here. I just got my Florida license the other day, so I am now officially a Florida resident now. I am a Floridian now, officially now. But right now I have to get my car registered and everything, so that's the next step. So, but I'll get a pass very soon. Hopefully soon, but yeah. Also, there is certain times of the year that I would not want to be in the parks, especially like today is one of them. I heard it's like craziness on July 4th and New Year's for fireworks. It's like the worst time to go, so like especially with crowd levels, like so basically it's good, this is where I would want to watch the fireworks on either, of course, here on July 4th or New Year's. And as you can see, some people are already going up on each of the levels already. Like I said, that's why I want to get out here early. I mean, people are already starting to congregate, of course, out here on the walkway. And everything, so let's see, I wanted to get a spot early because I know for the 4th of July fireworks that normally they do, and for New Year's they'll do a little bit extra fireworks, like it'll be kind of a little bit kind of like everywhere. We might not see the ones. I think they shoot ones off kind of like over here off the lagoon, so we probably won't get to see those, but we'll see majority of the ones out in front of the castle and beyond out this way. There goes the monorail. Like I said, I always love that it comes right underneath here. It's so cool. Said alright, there was some lightning starting to go on out there. I did see some, so we'll see. We still got a while away till it starts. I'm really excited to hopefully see the fireworks tonight because this is my first time seeing the 4th of July fireworks live, in person. Last year, of course, I was at Hershey Park seeing the fireworks. Always seen the fireworks at Hershey. Of course, tonight for July 4th, Justin Timberlake is actually there at Hershey Park Stadium, so they're not having the fireworks tonight at Hershey. They're going to have them tomorrow, July 5th. So if you're in the area at Hershey for the 4th of July weekend, so the fireworks will be tomorrow, July 5th, but until you see this video, July 4th will probably already pass, and the 5th will probably already pass, but yeah, so make sure you see the fireworks. Also, if you want to see that video from last year, you can go head on to my playlist, The Sweetest Place on Earth playlist, or just type in, of course, on my channel, Hershey Park 4th of July, it'll pop up. It was a fun day. We got to go on some coasters, see the characters, and of course the fireworks. So make sure you check out that video. Alright, but it's currently 8:25, so we just got about under an hour until it starts, of course, at 9:20. I see some fireworks out there in the distance. Alright, so it's currently 9 o'clock, so we have about 20 more minutes until the fireworks start. It's definitely getting more crowded. Down this patio, down there, and overall over there. It's definitely getting more busy, but we're almost there. Alright, so we're at 1 minute.
Got it? listening to what he's saying too.
Looks like the DJ is going on. Like I said, I love the special times during the year because it's like a DJ show that happens at all these parks during this time, which is basically what's going on in front of Cinderella's castle right now. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoy the fireworks. So it's really nice to see them, you know, in person for the first time. So like I said, we're right here on the contemporary balcony. So we didn't see the one fireworks, so they were shooting fireworks kind of around the corner where the lagoon is that sits over here. They were shooting some off over there as well. But I like when they do it during like 4th of July and New Year's to get to see some more fireworks than normal. So that was really cool to see. So now we're gonna head back downstairs. Alright, but now we made it back inside the contemporary. Right here's the Fantasia store. Always love this store. It's always such a nice store to see. Alright, well, we're actually gonna head out of the contemporary right now. Alright, but we're actually gonna make our way back to Disney Springs. Probably get a bite to eat over there. But yeah, so that's where we're gonna head. So not gonna spend too much time at the Contemporary, but if you want to see more about the Contemporary, when I went on my day here, I went to the Contemporary, I went to the Polynesian, kind of did a Magic Kingdom resort hopping. Go check out that video. But eventually we'll come back and do more videos here, but just wanted to come to see the fireworks tonight. So we're gonna catch the bus back to Disney Springs. Alright everyone, so we have made it to Disney Springs now. So let's see where we'll get something to eat, because I still haven't eaten dinner yet. Alright, so I actually came in with Chicken Guy. I'm just gonna get Chicken Guy. It's easy. Of course, here's the menu. A lot of good sandwiches. I always get normally the CG classic. That's probably what I'll get. But they have chicken tenders, salads, and of course the salads. Of course, they have a lot of different sauces. They used to have a lot more, but they got rid of a lot. So now these are the only sauces that they have. Alright, number 64. Okay, so I got the CG Classic. And of course, Main and Neon got the fries. So here we go. Alright, we came outside and now Disney Dreams, that store is going on right now. So yeah, you can see some of it all the way from back here. You'll have to go see it again. So I've seen that people up here at top of the Coca-Cola building are watching it. I bet that is a really great view to probably catch the show from, probably. I'll have to go one time, go up there and see it one night. So of course they have Inside Out 2 poster up because that movie just came out not too long ago. I did see it. It's really good. It did make me cry. It's a really great movie. And I rewatched Inside Out, the first one, just before I went to see Inside Out 2, just get a refresher on the first one. Because it was some time since I saw the first one, so it was really good. Both films are excellent. Alright, but we're gonna head out for the evening. Alrighty everyone, well we are made it back to my car here at Disney Springs. I hope you enjoyed tonight coming along with me and checking out the fireworks. Of course, you know, Magic Kingdom around the resort. We got to see it from the Contemporary Resort. Like I said, hopefully I'll get a season pass soon, and we'll definitely, you know, be going a lot more, because I definitely want to get one. Because now I am officially a Floridian, because I got my Florida license, so I definitely want to hopefully get one soon. But anyways, hope you all had a great July 4th. Till then guys, I am JBH, and of course, until the next adventure, I'll see you guys real soon. See yas.